Hello and welcome to a two-part series that we call Drones for Christmas. I'm Kent Iler with Iler Aerial Imaging, and this series is brought to you on behalf of AUVSI Northern Ohio Chapter and the North Coast Drone Alliance. These are two great drone advocacy groups in Northeast Ohio that I'm proud to be a member of. Our goal with this video is to give you some ideas for which drone to buy for your loved ones. There are so many drones to choose from, and some are definitely better than others depending on the intended use. We will cover some great entry-level drones and also some next steps when your skills progress to that next level. In January, we'll have a part 2, which is a live virtual event where we will discuss drone safety, laws, registration, and in case you've had a mishap with your drone, we'll cover drone repair as well. This virtual event will end with a question and answer session where you can ask questions of our local drone experts.
The first drone on our list is the Holy Stone HS210. This drone is an excellent first drone for several reasons. The HS210 is small and has built-in prop guards, which helps minimize damage if the drone hits something or someone. This drone costs around $30 and is available from hobby stores, Walmart, and Amazon. It comes with a feature called altitude hold. Many low-cost entry-level drones will drop if you let go of the control sticks. This drone will hover in place if you let go of the sticks, which gives you time to regain your situational awareness without crashing. This drone comes with 3 batteries. Each battery will give about 5 minutes of flight time and will take around 30 minutes to charge. The HS210 also has a built-in function to allow the drone to do flips. Simply press the flip button and move the stick in the direction that you want the drone to flip. It's that simple. The next drone we recommend is a tiny whoop drone with a first-person view or FPV camera. The ready-to-fly bundle comes with the drone, controller, FPV goggles, 4 batteries, and a multi-charging adapter. The FPV goggles doubles as a carrying case for all the equipment. This drone is about $200 and available from their website at newbdrone.com. We also have the link below in the description. There's a great video on the website that demonstrates the features of this drone. It's a great drone to start working on skills for drone racing or freestyle flying. The final set of drones that I'll cover in this series are several in the DJI Mavic series: the Mavic Mini, Mavic Air, Mavic Air 2, and the Mavic 2 Pro. These drones won't be doing flips, but they will provide great aerial imaging for recreation or commercial use. The Mavic Mini starts at $399, the Mavic Air starts at $599, the Mavic Air 2 starts at $799, and the Mavic 2 Pro starts at $1599. The size of these drones are obviously different, but all are compact. The part that isn't very obvious is the quality of the optics for taking photos and videos. Many people start with the Mini or the Air because of the price, but within a couple of months they're ready for one of the larger Mavics with much better capabilities and resolution. Chris Newman, founder of the Drone Pro Academy and my drone mentor, put together a great video showing the differences from actual footage captured to handling characteristics of each of the drones in high wind conditions. I own the Mavic 2 Pro and it is my go-to drone for most situations. If this drone is in your price range, I highly recommend it. If not, the other models will be great to get experience and also take great shots from the air.
We hope you enjoy this series, and from all of us at AUVSI and North Coast Drone Alliance, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a safe and happy New Year.